Second ever video on this channel was 5 things to remember in the gym, and I said
now there's probably more than 5 things that you need to remember, so I am probably going to do a part 2 in the future.
Well, there are 5 more things to remember in the gym. I don't want to keep y'all waiting, so let's jump right into it.
Handsome like Mr. Clean, flaming like some kerosene, fresher than some Listerine, looking like a
Number 5, don't overwork yourself. I see so many problems with this in the gym where beginners think they need to be going 7 days a week, they need to be training for 4 hours, or they're not going to see any progress. However, if you're going at least 3 days and you're putting consistent effort in, you're keeping track of your workouts, you're putting in as much effort as you possibly can, then yes, you can still see progress. Don't think by training 4 hours 6 days a week that's immediately better than training 1 hour 4 days a week. And also, you don't just need to eat chicken and rice 6 times a day. If you know what you're doing with your diet, you can be able to eat good meals. And the main reason that these are bad is because that these lifestyles are usually unattainable for the long term. Sure, you can work out 6 days a week, eat nothing but chicken, rice, and vegetables all day for 3 months, but can you do it for the rest of your life? No. And if anything, when you do relapse, you're gonna be relapsing harder than you were before, and you may, if anything, put on more fat than you had before. Find a routine and a diet that fits your lifestyle and that you can maintain, not the one that Chris Bumstead uses. Number 4, do your research with supplements. There is literally a new supplement pushed every single day by influencers who do not care and just wish to maximize their profits. Most companies will put a weird amalgamation of chemicals together, slap a $69.99 price tag on it, sell it to you, add a little bit of caffeine to it, and because the caffeine gives you a little bit of bolt of energy, you think that the supplement must be working, and so you buy more of it. And the sad part is that in most cases, these supplements can be harmful to you. Don't believe an influencer just because they have the physique you want. Do your research into these supplements. 4 supplements that I would personally recommend would be pre-workout, creatine, protein powder, and vitamins. All of these have their unique uses and can play a good part in your fitness journey. I'm not trying to say that these are 100% necessary, but if you want to have that little extra boost, all 4 of those supplements will help you in the long run. Protein powder being an OG supplement used since weightlifting was a thing. Creatine being one of the most researched supplements on the market. Vitamins, of course, just being that little extra boost in the morning. And pre-workout, while having a very, very sketchy background, overall can help you with your energy in the gym. So if you need to, just do some research, and if anything, your wallet will thank you. Number 3, avoid staring, but don't be paranoid. I already know, TikTok has screwed up this entire thing. Guys think that by glancing in a girl's direction, they're gonna get canceled. Of course not, Joey Swole's got your back. But at the same time, don't stare in the gym. I get it, there's beautiful girls in the gym. They're all stunning, they're all gorgeous, they're all breathtaking, okay? I get it. But at the same time, they're there for the same reason you're there, and that's to get a good workout in, okay? It's the equivalent of someone staring at you and trying to chat you up from across the gym. In the back of your mind, you're just thinking, oh, please just leave me alone. And this goes for guys too. Don't be staring at the beast of a guy. Sure, he has an impressive physique, but again, he's there for the same reason you are, to get a good workout in. Overall, just try and help contribute to a safe gym atmosphere. We are all here to become better, so let's all do our part. Number 2, wipe down your equipment. No shit, you're gonna sweat in the gym. If you're not sweating, then there's probably something you're doing wrong, like you're probably under training. So always make sure to wipe down your equipment. You don't wanna work on anyone else's sweat, so no one should work out on yours. Be cleanly in the gym, very straightforward. Just try to keep everything nice in the gym. Number 1, use less weight in the gym. Avoid injury. Don't injure yourself in the gym. The entire reason you're in the gym in the first place is to build a better body and to become stronger. So why are you just putting 185 on bench just because you think it will impress the guys right next to you? So if you are struggling with 185, go down to 165, do a couple reps of that. Once you feel comfortable, put on 2.5s, and eventually you'll be able to bench the weight that was once difficult for you. Do not try and show off. Unless you're Arnold, no one cares how much you're benching or squatting squatting or deadlifting. All this is going to lead to is you getting hurt and sometimes even irreversible damage. So just make sure to stay safe and clean in the gym, and you will see your progress build over time. If you like this channel, make sure to scroll down right now, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, make sure to turn on notifications, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace.
Handsome like Mr. Clean.